G'day, Carlos from Extreme Auto Installations. Thanks for joining me today. Wanted to show you guys a really cool feature that we've installed into this Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a reverse camera system for the Caravan that this car is predominantly towing around the country, lucky ducks. So it's a system that integrates with the factory navigation stereo system. Let me just turn this off. So basically we've fitted a camera to the back of the Caravan and it's connected via a coiled cable between the Caravan and the vehicle. So what happens is if we press and hold the back button of the display for 5 seconds, you get the image of the behind the Caravan essentially. It's a really good, almost bird's eye view. Like the back of the Caravan is right there. You'll be able to see who's behind you whilst you're driving down Stewart Highway or so on. If you hit the back again, it goes back to the maps and the media and what have you. And also, if you put it in reverse, it comes up automatically. So it's a really easy to use system. If the Caravan isn't on the car, when you go to reverse, your factory dash camera, reverse camera will appear on the display. But naturally, if you have the Caravan hooked up, you don't want to see the back in front of your Caravan, you want to see what's behind there. So it's a really great system. I'll jump out and I'll show you parts of the system. So this is the connection between the vehicle and the Caravan. It's called a WAS cable. It's a heavy duty, solidly mounted cable, and it's a fantastic way of doing it. Quite simple, really. The cable runs down the length of the Caravan, and yeah, that's the camera up there. It's a heavy duty camera, weather protection. It's a really, really great system. They do these systems for pretty much every make and model of modern car that have a factory screen. Give us a call. We're happy to go through what options there are for your particular vehicle.